So you're passionate about pursuing design, maybe from NIFT, NID, or even the IITs. But there's a big roadblock: convincing your parents. Trust me, I have been with so many students and I know how tough it can be to have that conversation. But here's the thing, parents usually want what's best for you. They are just unsure about the path you are choosing. So today, let's sit down and chat about how you can convince them step by step. Step 1 is to understand their concerns. Let's start with this. Have you actually thought about why they are worried? Most parents just don't know much about design as a career. They might be thinking, will my child get a stable job? Is design even a serious profession? Or maybe why not engineering or medicine like everyone else? You need to figure out what's really bothering them. Instead of jumping into arguments, have a calm conversation. Say something like, Mom, Dad, I know you're worried about this, but can you tell me what's on your mind? Once you know the exact concerns, it's so much easier to address them. Next step would be to educate them about the design industry. Most parents think design is just about drawing pretty pictures. You need to show them how broad and impactful this field actually is. For example, explain to them how fashion design is not just about making clothes. It's about creating brands, managing retail, and understanding global trends. UI UX design, ever heard of this? User interface and user experience design is huge in tech right now. These are the designers who shape how apps like Instagram or websites like Amazon work. Industrial design is all about innovation, designing products we use every day, from gadgets to furniture. You could say, you know those iPhones and Teslas we admire? A designer was behind those ideas. When you link design to things they already know, it makes more sense to them. Let's bring out the big guns, facts and figures. Parents love this stuff. Tell them things like, NIFT graduates are placed in top companies like Zara, Adidas, and Myntra. NID alumni work with brands like IKEA, Samsung, and Netflix. UI UX designers earn starting salaries similar to software engineers. And hey, don't just say it. Pull up some placement stats from NIFT or NID websites to back it up. You will notice they'll start taking this conversation a little bit more seriously when you throw in real-world data. Now, here is the most important part. They need to see how much design means to you. Instead of just saying, I love design, tell them what excites you. Maybe it's creating new things, solving problems, or exploring art and technology. For example, you could say, I want to create sustainable clothing that's good for the planet. I love designing spaces that make people feel comfortable and happy. Or even, I enjoy solving problems creatively, and design lets me do that. When they see your genuine passion, they'll start to realize you're not making these decisions lightly. Parents need proof that this isn't just a phase. So show them what you have been working on. Share your sketches, your portfolios, or even projects you have done in school or online. If you have participated in a competition or attended a workshop, talk about that too. You could say, look, I have been improving my skill for months and I'm really serious about this. Actions speak louder than words, and this will show them how committed you are. Sometimes parents are hesitant because they feel left out of your decision. Make them a part of your journey. Take them to the NIFT or NID open houses, or show them videos about the campus and its programs. You could even sit down with them and explore the admission handbooks together. You might say, let's look at the NIFT website together and I can explain the courses I'm excited about. When they are involved, they'll feel more comfortable and supportive of your decisions. One big concern parents have is, what if this doesn't work out? To ease their minds, have a backup plan ready. For example, tell them you will gain skills in college that are transferable to other industries like marketing or entrepreneurship. This shows them that you are thinking ahead and taking responsibility for your future. You have to be patient and respectful. Look, convincing parents isn't always an overnight process. They might need time to process everything you have shared. Don't lose your cool. It's important to stay patient and respectful. You can say something like this: I understand this is new for you, but I hope we can explore this path together. At the end of the day, your parents want what is best for you and they want you to succeed. They just need to understand how design can help you do that. So be honest, confident, and prepared. And I promise you will win them over. If you've got specific concerns about this, drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to share, subscribe for more such advice. All right, future designers, go have that chat with your parents and you've got this. See you in the next video.